friend, in this video, I'm going to share the 2 credit killers that, if you allow to happen to your credit, will ultimately bring that score down like a rock. Yes, your credit can drop anywhere from 100, 150 to 200 points, guaranteed. You don't want that. We don't want that credit score dropping like that. And it's very damaging. So, what is the number one? You probably know it already. You probably heard me talking about it. Late payments. If you go 30 days or beyond the late on a credit card, loan, any of your accounts, it's devastating. This thing hurts your credit score for 2 years and stays on your credit for 7 years. Yes, and it can drop your credit easily 50, 80, 100 or more points. You don't want that happening. And there's actually some algorithms that they're building into credit scores that will hurt you even more when you go late. So please do not go late on anything. They can only report you once you go 30 days or beyond. You don't need that. Don't even get close to 1 day. Now, I am going to show you how you can prevent going late forever again. But in order to do that, I am going to do that on a separate video because I need to show you this little secret. And it's pretty cool. We've put it together and it's super easy. It takes less than 5 minutes per month for you to do. And I promise you it's going to keep you out of trouble. And no, it's not only auto payments. If you're thinking that auto payments is great, but we've even seen it where someone has got an account on auto payment and because the account number changed or the bank didn't have money, bam, credit goes also down. So we don't need any of that. I'm going to show you how to fix that. I've been there. I've done it. I've been one of the victims of this. I promise you it's not pretty. And some of you know what I am talking about because you've been through it. That's number one. Number two, credit cards. Credit cards, credit cards. If you max out this card, you're in trouble. You're in trouble. If you use these cards and you max them out and you keep a balance from month to month to month and you don't pay that balance off in full, your credit score is going to drop and it's going to drop tremendously, big time. So utilization rates, that's the amount of money you're using on the credit cards and you're keeping on a month to month. What is the target limit? First, before I give you that limit, you want to pay your bill in full every month. That's honestly what you want to do. Stay out of debt. And if you're in debt, you are going to be working with us to get out of debt. You will hear me constantly with my team telling you the strategies and helping you get out. Debt is not good if it's not bringing in income. And on your personal credit, I promise you, it hurts it when you keep these balances on your credit cards. I'm specifically talking credit cards here, okay? Now, what is it that we need to do if we got to keep a balance? I don't like it. You shouldn't keep it. You should stay out of it. I used to do it a lot. I've been there. But if you have to do it, the number is 7% or less. Some people will tell you 30%. Don't fall for that trick. Your score is not going to grow as high as it can. The high achievers that have high credit scores in the country, the highest scores in the 800s, a balance of 7% or below does not impact the credit score, has a very tiny little minimal balance. And actually, if you're buying a house and you want to get a boost in your score, there's something called mortgage scores, which you're going to learn about. They actually like a small little 2 to 3 or 4% balance, but that's for another video. See, another video is coming on that. Anyway, please do not go late. And if you use these cards, please pay them in full. You're going to hear from me over and over and over on these 2 things, because if you can get these 2 things right, I promise you, you're going to be incredibly successful with your credit. All right, my friend, I probably went over. No, I'm still good. I still got a few more seconds, but I'm not going to take too much of your time. God bless you. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.